Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions, and I'm back with another compliance tip of the week. Today we're talking about GCC High migration and how it's redefining excellence in defense manufacturing. If you're a defense contractor who's feeling overwhelmed, tired, and alone, trying to understand all of this DFARS, NIST SP 171, and CMMC compliance stuff on top of an already colossal workload, and you can't even pronounce CMMC, if you feel like you're drowning in the hundreds of pages of confusing legalese and hard to understand techno mumbo jumbo, or if you just need help connecting the dots for the leaders in your company between getting compliant and how it can lead to growth and higher profits, well, man, guess what? You're screaming and jumping up and down, and you're pointing at yourself, and you're like, I've got great news. You've found your home here at On-Call Compliance Solutions, where we can help you transform into your company's on-call compliance hero. Let's dive into it. So recent surveys show that over 60% of defense manufacturers rate enhancing operational efficiency and security as top priorities. GCC High migration is an innovative technology solution that is transforming the defense manufacturing industry. This video unveils how implementing GCC High migration helps redefine excellence in defense manufacturing. Defense manufacturing has a rich history of powering innovation for national security. However, common challenges like cyber threats, a lack of automation, and changing compliance regulations have strained productivity. Outdated legacy systems, data vulnerabilities, and a lack of real-time visibility into operations. Inefficient workflows and compliance struggles cause major roadblocks. To stay resilient and competitive, implementing emerging technologies like GCC High migration is critical for defense manufacturers. GCC High migration is a state-of-the-art solution combining automation, data analytics, and robust security protocols tailored for defense manufacturing. Seamless integration, real-time insights, automated compliance, customizability, and future-proof scalability allow optimized productivity. GCC High migration radically enhances productivity and security across defense manufacturing operations. By automating workflows, streamlining production, minimizing downtime, and optimizing quality control, it boosts efficiency multifold. The solution also fortifies the protection of sensitive data throughout cutting-edge cybersecurity protocols like controlled access, constant surveillance, and regular audits. GCC High migration further enables effortless adherence to complex defense regulations, including NIST SP 171 and CMMC. Its built-in controls and real-time auditing seamlessly facilitate compliance. Additionally, GCC High migration curbs expenses substantially by automating previously manual processes, reducing material waste, and optimizing supply chain logistics. Taken together, these features significantly boost productivity, reinforce data security, ensure compliance, and deliver major cost savings, transforming defense manufacturing performance. GCC High migration implementations are establishing benchmarks for efficiency, security, and compliance across defense manufacturing. As more manufacturers adopt GCC High and a migration to GCC High, we can expect universal automation, real-time collaboration, and embedded cybersecurity defenses. Leaders endorsing GCC High migration's effectiveness in solving key pain points and revolutionizing defense manufacturing. GCC High migration is transforming defense manufacturing through automation, analytics, security, and compliance, enabling excellence. By embracing innovative solutions like GCC High, manufacturers can lead the charge in revolutionizing national security and secure their communications. Be a leader. Implement GCC High migration at your company. Schedule a free assessment to map your path to maximize productivity and security. Visit gcchighmigration.com today, and I'll see you there.